Hi kids, welcome to our fun grammar adventure. Today we are going to learn about two special friends, a and an. These little words are called articles and they help us talk about things in a clear way. Are you ready to meet them? Let's go. Article A loves to hang out with singular nouns that start with a consonant sound, and an is a little different and loves to be with singular nouns that start with a vowel sound. Article A is used before singular nouns that start with a consonant sound like b, t. Consonants are all the letters that aren't vowels like A, E, I, O, U. So, if a word starts with a consonant like B, K, D, T, we always use article A. Try it yourself. Say A before words like a car, a book, a table. Repeat after me. A car, a book and a table. Used before singular nouns that start with a vowel sound like a in apple and a in elephant. So an apple or an elephant. Even a umbrella. So an umbrella. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. But each vowel makes a special sound like a, e, u, a, o, etc. They are 10 in number. Remember, swar in Hindi language? Yes, they all are vowel sounds. Let's look at more examples where we can use article A. So, cat. This is cat starting from k. So, a cat. Mango. The word mango, it's starting with m. That's why we have used article a. A mango. A car. Car word is starting with consonant k. Student. Student is starting with consonant sound s. So a student. Similarly, house. House is starting from consonant sound h. So a house. And lastly, we have doctor. Doctor is starting from a consonant sound d. So a doctor. Similarly, article an. We know article an is used with the singular nouns that start with vowel sound. Let's see the examples. What's this? This is an umbrella. Umbrella because the pronunciation is starting from a umbrella. This is apple starting from a. So that's why an apple. Next is igloo. Igloo. It is starting from I. That's a vowel sound. So we have used an igloo. Next is I. Starting from a. I. So an I. Next word is ape. This is an ape. Starting from A. And the last one is orange and orange. While adding article A or an, we have to concentrate the sound, not the letter, the sound from which the word is starting, not from the letter. Look at this example, unicorn. The word unicorn starts with letter U. It is a vowel, but its pronunciation starts with Y, Y unicorn, which is not a vowel sound. It's a consonant one. So, a unicorn. We will use article a. Next, honest man. The H in honest is silent. So the word starts with a vowel sound O. Hence, we use an honest man. Next example, European. The word European starts with letter E, which is a vowel. But its pronunciation starts with Y, European. So, a consonant sound is there. It's not starting from a vowel sound. So, we will add article O. Next example, R. He waited me for dash R. Pronunciation is starting from R. Though the first letter is H, which is silent, we have R and R. Next is X-ray. Look at the letter. It's starting from X, but the pronunciation is starting from X. X. That's why we will use article an. And the last example, cow is dash useful animal. Useful. The pronunciation is starting with Y. So we will use a useful animal. Always follow 3 steps before choosing a or an for a noun. Fine. So first step is identify the noun in the sentence. Look for the thing or person we are talking about. For example, in I see a dog, which is the noun? Yes, the noun is dog. So first of all, in a given sentence, we have to identify the noun. And our second step is to see if it starts with the consonant sound or a vowel sound. For that, we have to listen carefully to the first sound of the noun. Is it a consonant like b, k, d, r, or a vowel sound like a, e, u, e, etc. For dog, the first sound is d, a consonant sound. And finally, step 3, choose the correct article a or an. If it starts with a consonant sound, use article a, or if it is starting with a vowel sound, use article an. So for dog, we say a dog as it is starting with the consonant sound d. Let's practice the usage of article a or an through some examples, through some sentences. So first one is, I saw dash elephant at the zoo. Now our singular noun is elephant, where we have to insert article, and elephant is starting with the vowel sound a. So I'll add an elephant. He kept me waiting for dash hour. Children, it's hour, not har. So H is silent. Pronunciation is starting with a. That's why I'll use article an. Next, my aunt is dash teacher. Very simple. It's starting with the consonant sound t. Teacher starts with the consonant sound t. So I'll insert a article. And next is, please give me dash book to read. The noun is book. So it's starting with the consonant sound b. So I'll add a. Next, she dreams of seeing dash unicorn. Unicorn word though starts with vowel, but the sound is j. It's starting from j sound, so it's a consonant sound. So I'll insert article a. Next is, he is pursuing MBA at Harvard. Now the pronunciation of MBA starts with a. So I'll insert an. And the last, he is heir to the throne. It's not higher, it's heir to the throne. Uttradhikari, heir, pronunciation e. So I'll insert article an as it's starting with the vowel sound. Now look, elephant, owl, teacher, book, unicorn, MBA, air, all are singular nouns. So we always use article a or an for singular common nouns. Hey, let's talk about articles and how they help us understand nouns better. So first one is articles are small words that come before nouns. They help us identify or describe the nouns we are talking about. Articles help us define whether a noun is specific or general. They give us more information about the noun. And I and an are two main articles in English. They are called indefinite articles, which means they don't point out to specific thing or person. They are more general. Now, why are these articles important? Well, they help us figure out if a noun is specific or general in sentence. So articles give us clues about whether we are talking about any old thing or something specific. They are like clues in a mystery story that helps us understand what's happening in the sentence. Next time you read or hear a sentence, pay attention to those little words like a or an. They are there to help you understand nouns better. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. Every day when you practice a little, you get smarter and better at what you do. So keep going, future stars. Just a few minutes of practice each day can turn you into a grammar superhero. Let's tackle this learning adventure together and have fun while doing it.